6 ugly aging habits that make you look older and how to fix them before it's too late. Aging is natural, but certain everyday habits can speed up the process and make you look older than you are. In this video, we reveal 6 ugly aging habits that silently add years to your appearance, and more importantly, how to fix them before it's too late. Whether it's your skincare routine, diet, or lifestyle choices, small changes can make a big difference. Don't miss these powerful tips to keep your youthful glow. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and 1 like for this valuable video of yours, and share the video on various media to help others age gracefully too. Number 1. Neglecting sunscreen. One of the most common and damaging aging habits is neglecting sunscreen. Many people skip it, especially on cloudy days or when they're indoors, not realizing that harmful UV rays can still penetrate through clouds and windows. Ultraviolet UV radiation is the #1 cause of premature aging, contributing to wrinkles, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and loss of skin elasticity. Over time, sun exposure breaks down collagen and elastin, 2 key proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. Even short bursts of unprotected sun exposure can accumulate damage over the years, leading to what's often referred to as photoaging. This process makes your skin look older than it is, even if you're otherwise healthy. The visible signs, fine lines, sagging, and leathery texture, can become permanent if left unchecked. Fix it. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply it generously every morning, 15 to 30 minutes before going outside, and reapply every 2 hours if you're in the sun. Don't forget often missed areas like your neck, ears, and hands. These age quickly too. Your future skin will thank you. Number 2. Poor sleep habits. Skimping on sleep does more than make you feel tired. It significantly accelerates the aging process. During deep sleep, your body goes into repair mode, producing vital proteins like collagen and growth hormone that help restore skin cells and maintain a youthful appearance. When you consistently sleep less than the recommended 7 to 9 hours a night, this repair process is interrupted, leading to dull skin, fine lines, and a weakened skin barrier. One of the most visible signs of poor sleep is dark circles or puffiness under the eyes. Over time, lack of rest can also result in increased inflammation and higher levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which breaks down collagen and elastin, both essential for firm, smooth skin. Inadequate sleep is also linked to imbalanced hydration and slower circulation, which contributes to a tired, aged look. Fix it. Prioritize consistent, high-quality sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a calming bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and keep your sleeping environment cool and dark. Good sleep is one of the most powerful and natural anti-aging tools you have. Number 3. Dehydration. Dehydration is a silent skin ager that many people overlook. When your body lacks sufficient water, it shows up first in your skin, your body's largest organ. Dry, dehydrated skin appears dull, flaky, and less plump, which makes fine lines and wrinkles more noticeable. Over time, chronic dehydration weakens the skin's elasticity and natural barrier, leading to premature aging and increased sensitivity to environmental damage. When your skin is properly hydrated, it looks smoother, more radiant, and youthful. Water helps flush out toxins, supports nutrient delivery to skin cells, and aids in maintaining moisture balance. Without enough hydration, skin can become tight, irritated, and more prone to breakouts or inflammation. Fix it. Start by drinking at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters, of water daily. More if you're active, sweat a lot, or live in a dry climate. In addition to internal hydration, use skincare products that lock in moisture. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, which attract and retain water in the skin. Apply moisturizer right after cleansing while your skin is still slightly damp to seal in hydration. A well-hydrated body leads to glowing, younger-looking skin from the inside out. Number 4. Unhealthy diet. What you eat plays a major role in how your skin ages. A diet high in sugar, refined carbs, and processed foods can accelerate aging from the inside out. Excess sugar triggers a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin fibers, making them stiff and brittle. This leads to sagging skin, wrinkles, and a dull complexion. Processed foods also cause inflammation in the body, which contributes to skin damage and can worsen conditions like acne or rosacea. On the other hand, a nutrient-rich diet can dramatically slow down the signs of aging. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables fight free radicals that damage skin cells. Vitamins like C and E support collagen production and protect against UV damage, while omega-3 fatty acids in foods like salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed help maintain skin elasticity and hydration. Fix it. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Load your plate with colorful vegetables, berries, leafy greens, lean proteins like fish and chicken, and healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and olive oil. Limit added sugars and heavily processed snacks. Drinking green tea or water with lemon instead of sugary drinks also supports clearer, younger-looking skin. Your skin truly reflects what's on your plate. Number 5. Skipping skincare or using the wrong products. Neglecting your skincare routine or using the wrong products can significantly speed up the aging process. Many people either skip skincare altogether or use products that are too harsh, overly fragranced, or simply not suited to their skin type or age. Harsh cleansers and alcohol-based toners can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and a compromised skin barrier. On the flip side, using ineffective or outdated products means you're missing out on essential ingredients that actively fight signs of aging. Consistent, targeted skincare is key to maintaining healthy, youthful skin. As we age, the skin's natural renewal process slows down, collagen production decreases, and moisture retention weakens. That's why it's important to use products formulated to address these changes. Fix it. Start with a simple, age-appropriate skincare routine: a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and daily SPF. Look for ingredients backed by science: retinol to boost collagen and reduce fine lines, hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, and vitamin C to brighten skin and fight free radical damage. Avoid overly abrasive scrubs or products with high alcohol content. Commit to consistency. Results come from long-term care, not quick fixes. Your skin deserves daily attention, not neglect. Number 6. Stress and negative thinking. Chronic stress and a negative mindset don't just affect your mental well-being. They visibly age your skin and harm your overall health. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In small doses, cortisol is useful, but when stress becomes chronic, cortisol levels stay high, breaking down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. This leads to premature wrinkles, sagging, dullness, and even acne flare-ups. Stress can also cause poor sleep, unhealthy eating habits, and inflammation, all of which accelerate aging. Negative thinking and emotional strain also take a toll on your appearance. Constant worry can lead to furrowed brows and tense facial expressions that, over time, etch fine lines into your skin. More importantly, a negative outlook impacts your energy, motivation, and self-care habits, causing a downward spiral in both health and appearance. Fix it. Make stress management a daily priority. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and body. Journaling can help you process emotions and shift your mindset. Take breaks, spend time in nature, laugh often, and set boundaries to protect your peace. Inner calm shows on the outside. When you feel good, you look better too. Conclusion. Aging is inevitable, but looking older than you are doesn't have to be. By recognizing and correcting these 6 common habits, neglecting sunscreen, poor sleep, dehydration, unhealthy diet, improper skincare, and chronic stress, you can protect your youthful glow and improve your overall well-being. Small, consistent changes make a big difference over time. Invest in yourself by choosing healthier routines, nourishing your body and mind, and being kind to your skin. You deserve to age gracefully and confidently. If you found this video helpful, please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, 1 like, and don't forget to share it across your social media.